Hey, I'm back after like 5 months. I'm gonna play Peaceful Simulator. Alright, I guess we'll just be uploading Peaceful Simulator. Things like getting stuff, how to unlock stuff, like that sort of stuff. I am playing on my phone, so it's gonna be terrible. I'm playing my phone, so. Great, this. Like, I think I'm trying to complete some quest today. Like, this is gonna be like late night upload. Yeah, I know completely. Where's Black Bear at? Dang. I'm almost there. Where's Black Bear at? Ah, there he is. Black Bear, Black Bear. Nice. No. Black Bear. Click on your white button. Click on. Click 1 token from Lee's. Collect 3 snowflake tokens. Alright. Alright, so I guess we just do that real quick. So surprised. Like that's how and you get from leaves. What does that mean? No, that's what I need. Yeah, that's what I needed. So I need 3 sunflower seed tokens. So that's gonna take a long time to get. Alright. Oh, this one. No, please. I hate this very bad. Sunflower seed. Boom. Alright, my task is almost about to be done. Oh yeah, it can't be long too. No, 7 minutes. Wait, how do I complete this task? Come on, this is randomized. Come on, give me a sunflower. Give me. Oh, there it is. Go. Oh, I hate this game so much. Like, oh my gosh. Yes. Now I just need to wait for some sunflower seed tokens. Oh, this is gonna take a long time. Also, now it's gonna give me all of these. Why is it gonna do this? Like something that you need doesn't pop up. Like, it's gonna pop like minimum time. But something that you don't need, something like you don't need, it's gonna pop up like forever and ever. Like, why did it do that? I don't know if it does that for y'all, but it does that for me every single time. Yes, last one. Alright, let's go take the black bear. That was easy. Let's see. It's worked. 30 minutes. Yeah, I have all of these other quests, but it's kind of laid out. Like, I'm trying to go to bed, so like I'll end it right now. So See you guys later, and bye. Subscribe.